Want an easier way to find files that have been created to help you with your analytic and planning activities? The catalog is a tab on the home screen that provides a single access point for content curated by administrators and creators, enabling you to skip browsing or searching through hundreds of files in the files repository. Here you can sort the cards, search for keywords, or filter by content type or other details. You can flag files as favorites and open them from the card. If you don't have read access to a file in the catalog, you're prompted to request permission, which sends a request to the document owner. You can also view additional details for the file in the expanded view of the card. If you have permission to manage the catalog, you can also recommend the file, manage user access to it, and edit the settings. For more information on how to use the catalog, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.